Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage, and got a little bit more going on Black Betty today. Well, this evening. Uh, this is the right rear passenger door opening, and I already cut out the rocker sill, which I've already made the replacement metal piece for this. As you can see, it's pretty corroded in there. It's not rotted through anywhere. So I'm going to, well, it's not rotted right here. This is all still solid. So I'm going to POR 15 all of this to stop it. There is a little bit of metal work. Let me get down here on the floor to show you guys. That there is, excuse me, bear with me here. So there's a little bit of metal work. As you can see, right there, those are all rust holes. I'm shine the light right. Well, there you go. That's a better view. Come on, focus. Focus. So these are all rust holes rusted through, all these dark spots. There's a hole all the way through, another one. So I get back into here, and this is got some pinholes in it. So I'm going to end up cutting out probably from along here, right where my fingers are. I'll cut this out. And I'll step it down probably, eighth of an inch from this bend here on the sill, and bring it back. Pretty well get into solid metal here, back into the good stuff. I'm going to strip the rest of this paint just to make sure, but I'll cut the face off, and then let's see if we can get the right angle to show you guys here. Move the light. So this is the bottom of the rocker here, and this is all pretty good until you get into here. So I'll cut it along here, and then back in and up. So it'll just be this section. I'll bend up a new rocker. Getting into back here, this corner's kind of rotted out, and then amazingly enough, and it's okay actually, move the light again, sorry here, this isn't easy to show, but up inside, you can see, ow, that was my head. There's some rust up in there and a chunk missing. That's the end of the rocker. I already had to fabricate that for the other side, so I'll cut all that out. You can see some more of the holes up close. So that's the metal work that's left. I'm actually glad that it's not as bad as the other side was. So the other thing too is the other one was bad in here on the seam. This is all solid on this side, so I don't have to cut that far back. I can actually just bring it right to this bend here. So then that makes my rocker panel only really, my repair panel, two-sided. And it's not that big of a deal to bend any of this up, but it's just a lot easier to deal with the smaller panel. So I'll mark all this out and cut this piece off. You can see daylight coming through. And no, those are not trim holes. But, yep, that's what all that dirt inside of the rockers caused. And then, you know, back here in the wheel well, they've always got a lip right here that fills up with dirt. So, Yep, not too bad. Not at all as bad as it was looking. Right here, as you can see, you got some bubbles there. So generally, oh, there's a pinhole. So there's a little bit more, but working on top of the rocker up here isn't that bad. I'll be able to cut this rest of the way out and get it squared away. So anyway, guys, that's where we're at with the metal work on Black Betty. I'll be doing one more video on this metal work, and then I do believe we're totally free of the sheet metal work on the car. There is a little bit more welding left to do on the 4-link, and I'll get into showing more of that, and then we'll get into mounting the rear airbags next too. So anyway, guys, that's enough out of me for now. Just an update on sheet metal on Black Betty and where we're at with that. So anyway, if you would please like, comment, share, subscribe. Welcome to the new subscribers. Progress is being made on all these projects around here, albeit slowly. There is only one of me. But anyway, guys, it's late. I'm ready to go home, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay greasy, my friends.